Inhloko yophiko lwama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Lesitsha Sinona utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanka ukuthi ngesikhathi exhumana nosomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Kurt Matlala wayengazi ukuthi ubhekene noxhaxha lwamacala. Namhlanje bekungusuku lwesibili uSinona ethula ubufakazi kule khomishana.
Namhlanje inhloko yama-Hawks ibiphekwa ngemibuzo mayelana nobudlelwano bayo nosomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Kurt Matlala. UGeneral Sinona utshela ikhomishana ukuthi wahlangana noMatlala ngo-2019 kanti wayengenalo ulwazi lokuthi kunamacala obugebengu abhekene nawo nokuthi kunezinsolo zokuthi uyathinteka enkohlakalweni yasesibhedlela saseThembisa eyadalulwa uBabita Deokaran owagcina ngokubulawa ngemuva kokuveza lobugebengu.
You were aware that Mr. Matlala was implicated in the Tembisa hospital scandal?
I was not aware, Commissioners.
You were not aware of any of the allegations against Mr. Matlala that were being reported on in the media since at least 2023?
As I testified yesterday, Commissioners, I was not aware of.
You weren't aware?
USinona utshele ikhomishana ukuthi sekunesikhathi anqamula ubudlelwano bakhe noMatlala selokhu wathola ukuthi ubhekene namacala kodwa ngokobufakazi phambi kwekhomishana ubufakazi bakhe kungamampunge ubeqhubeka nokuxhumana noMatlala.
It took me too long.
So had he not been arrested, it could well have continued to the present day.
No, I don't think so, Commissioner.
Where would it have ended? Where would it have ended? The page 28 to 60 that I'm referring you to is continuing unabated, and yet in March already you say you are wary of him and you want to terminate whatever it is you wanted to terminate. When would it have ended had he not been arrested at the point at which he was?
It was going to be ended, Commissioner.
When?
It's a pity.
The question is when, General, when?
UGeneral Sinona uyavuma ukuthi ukuziphatha kwakhe kwakuphambene nomthetho. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.